Hello, hello, hello! Did you watch last week's episode about how current developments around crypto compare with the rise of the internet in the 1990s? If not, I can highly recommend it. And if you're not yet a subscriber, do so by simply pressing the bell below and make sure you don't miss a single episode. And if you're thinking about making an investment at Triaconta after seeing this episode, be sure to use the link in the description and watch episode 2 again. Another month has come and gone, and that means that I'll be balancing and revising my bundles at Triaconta and making a purchase of the Vanguard All World ETF. Last month, the price swings were so strong that we even went in the red for a little while. Let's have a look at how our portfolios have developed since then. If we look at my Triaconta bundles, I see that the value has unfortunately continued to decline since last month. A month ago, the combined amount of the four bundles was still more than 2,800 euros. This has now fallen to 2,170 euros. These fluctuations are all part of the process, although in hindsight, when my bundles were doubled, you might think I should have taken a piece of profit. But hey, if we'd know everything in advance, investing would be easy. As I showed you in episode 22, cryptocurrencies are a new asset class, and in that video, I explain why I remain positive for the coming years. Despite the decline of last month, my portfolio still has a positive return of just over 8%. Each bundle I want to rebalance and, if possible, revise. As you know, we have done this with 4 people in the past 4 months, and at the end of this video, I will give you insight into the results and show you how we will continue to follow this over the next year using 4 new bundles. The top 30 bundle is currently more than 4% above our deposit of 490 euros, with a total value of 522 euros. As you can see behind me, a week ago this bundle was negative, and I would have made a loss if I would have sold. I can balance this bundle for €1.31. Revision was possible last month, but not this month. My top 3 bundle is standing at 570 euros, which is more than 14% above the initial deposit of 490 euros. Because all 3 cryptocurrencies included in this wallet, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, have shown a good recovery. Balancing will cost me €1.43. Once again, I go for a hard balance. The DeFi bundle has suffered the most from the recent price drops, already showing negative growth at the beginning of June, with a further decline to a whopping 324 euros. It is currently the worst performing bundle with a percentage loss from the start of March 8th of almost 34%. Balancing this bundle so all stocks are equaled out at 10% only costs me 81 euro cents. The penny stock bundle has been the best performing bundle from the start and has managed to achieve a return of almost 54% at 758 euros. I also balanced this bundle, which costs me €1.89. The distribution among all cryptocurrencies in this bundle is thus reduced to 10% share for each token. For 4 months, we conducted a small trial with 4 people's investments in the same bundles. This trial was aimed at seeing whether it was interesting to balance or revise our bundles at Triaconta. Behind me you see the Excel sheet we kept for this. Person C has both been balancing and revising, achieving a return of 8.43%. Person D has a return of 6.02% by just performing a monthly rebalancing. Person A has achieved a return of 4.16% by doing nothing at all. And person B has achieved an underwhelming return of 2.48% by just doing a monthly revision. It seems that balancing and revising does indeed make a big difference. This coming year, from July 1st, 2021 to July 1st, 2022, I want to continue this trial by purchasing 4 of the exact same bundles. Here at Future in Finance, we will use this test to examine whether our predictions are correct, that balancing and revising, despite the costs, produces dividends in the long run. Now we'll have a look at our investments at DEGIRO. The DEGIRO investments so far have shown promising returns. The Airbnb shares are up 10% since their purchase. The cybersecurity shares of iShares are up nearly 11%, and those of LNG at more than 11.5%. The Vanguard All World ETF, of which I'm going to buy another one this month, has a return of over 5%, which is in line with expectations after about 4 months. I find that reviewing your portfolio on a regular basis and carrying out the necessary maintenance is very important. In addition, it's important to stick to your personal plan. As I've said before, I don't have a specific destination for the portfolios that we use for Future M Finance, aside from the experiments for educational purposes. But with my private portfolio, I'm building towards an early retirement. And if you start early enough, anything is possible. If you want to know how I do this, then watch back any of our episodes. They are numbered in chronological order, so be sure to check them out. That's it for today. See you next time.